Okay, so we've got our project here in the project manager, but we haven't got any drawings. Look, there's our IEC demo there, and it's got drawings listed underneath it. What I want to do is add drawings to this one here, my AutoCAD Electrical 2010 project. Now, this is easy. It's very easy because if I right click here and go add drawings, it'll go to the default folder, that AutoCAD electrical folder that it's set up when I created the project in the first instance. But you can't have a project without, obviously, project drawings. So what I'm going to do there, I'm going to add project files, and if I hold down Shift and select Project Manager, both those drawings are selected. I click on Add, and it adds those. Now, I get asked now, do you want to apply the project default values to the drawing settings? Well, yes, I do, because I wouldn't have set up a project otherwise. What that does is it automates the default values for me. So now it'll update the drawings with the default values. So if I double click there now, there's my drawings, as you can see, listed in my AutoCAD electrical project. And you can see there, the one in bold, look, Project Manager, Project Manager. It's telling me that that's the current project and that's the current project drawing. Now what I can do there, if I use my arrows here, next drawing, you'll see it then goes to project files. Now my numbering terminology is absolutely useless there because both drawings are 03. But what that's telling me is that you're in section 3 of the Autodesk AutoCAD Electrical 2010 Basic Concepts course. What you would do there is right click and rename that drawing. You'd rename it in the project so that you've got a better numbering terminology. I'll just hit escape there to deselect that. So as you can see, your project files and your project manager drawing are there. So I can now go back and that'll show me now that project manager is the current drawing. Now I haven't got much electrical content in those drawings, but they're now linked to that project. And if I right click here and go to add drawings, they're linked because they're in this folder here. If I click on the down arrow here, you can see, look, that's where they are. On my C drive, users, there's me, Sean Bryant, as a user on this computer. There's the documents folder, and it's AutoCAD Electrical 2010, AutoCAD Electrical Data, Projects, and there's my project folder there. That's the default setting, the default location for all your projects, that project folder there, as we discussed previously. So that is where you would put your drawings, in your project folder, in that location there. And it's very easy to find because all you do is set up a new project here in the project manager, and then in the settings for that project you specify where that drawing folder is going to be put. So I'm just going to cancel that now, and you can see there, using your project manager you can create an entirely new project with project drawings.